Have you ever wondered what the future of farming might look like? As our global population continues to grow, the need for more efficient, sustainable food production methods is becoming increasingly clear. Traditional farming practices, while still essential, are facing challenges from environmental changes, urbanization, and a shifting global climate. But what if we could reimagine farming? What if we could cultivate crops not just across vast fields, but upwards into the sky, layer by layer? One solution that is rapidly gaining traction is vertical farming. The concept of vertical farming is not as new as you might think. It was first proposed in 1999 by Dixon Despommier, but its roots go even deeper into history, linked to early architectural propositions and advancements in horticultural technology. Despommier's vision was to optimize plant growth and enhance crop yield by growing crops in vertically stacked layers. This method incorporates controlled environment agriculture and soil-less farming techniques, offering a revolutionary approach to traditional farming. Imagine a skyscraper filled not with offices or apartments, but with flourishing greenery. Or consider a shipping container not carrying goods across the ocean, but nurturing a variety of crops simultaneously. The concept even extends to the utilization of abandoned mine shafts as potential farming spaces. Despite the initial economic challenges due to high startup costs and energy demands, the potential benefits were too promising to ignore. Increased crop yield, the ability to withstand weather disruptions, and the conservation of local flora and fauna were just a few of the potential advantages. Despite its historic roots, vertical farming has only recently begun to realize its full potential. Vertical farming has come a long way since its inception. This innovative practice of growing crops in vertically stacked layers has evolved significantly, all thanks to advancements in technology and novel farming techniques. Over the years, we've seen different types of vertical farming spring up. Some of these include mixed-use skyscrapers, where crops are grown in buildings alongside commercial or residential spaces. Then we have stackable shipping containers, a solution that's as efficient as it is eco-friendly. And let's not forget about the ingenious use of abandoned mine shafts for farming. Each type presents a unique approach to maximizing space and optimizing growth conditions. A key player in this evolution is technology. And one prime example is the use of LED lighting. LEDs are instrumental in providing the necessary light spectrum for plant growth, and today's farms are lit up with these energy-efficient lights that mimic sunlight. But the story doesn't end there. Efforts are continuously underway to reduce energy costs even further, making vertical farming more sustainable and less power-hungry. But it's not just about light. Smart technology, like artificial intelligence and automation, is being woven into the fabric of vertical farming. These technologies enhance yields by monitoring and adjusting growing conditions in real time. They also improve transparency in food growing operations, giving us a clearer picture of how our food is grown. Yet, this journey of evolution isn't without its bumps. Despite the progress, vertical farming also faces significant challenges, particularly in terms of economic viability due to high startup costs and energy demands. It's a balancing act, a continuous strive for improvement while keeping costs in check. But with the pace of innovation, we're hopeful for a future where vertical farming becomes a staple in our food production systems. The potential of vertical farming extends beyond just efficient food production. It has a significant role to play in addressing food insecurity, a growing concern in many parts of the world. Brian Fried, chairman and CEO of Pangea Global Technologies, is among the voices championing this cause. Vertical farming is not just about growing more food, it's about growing smarter. By leveraging advancements in ag tech, it's possible to improve productivity and reduce resource usage, all within the confines of a controlled environment. Imagine having fresher produce available right within your city, reducing the need for long-distance transportation and its associated costs. This not only makes the food more accessible, but also contributes to a more sustainable food system. Smart technologies like artificial intelligence and automation are enhancing yields and transparency in food growing operations, bringing us closer to a future where indoor farms could be a common sight in urban landscapes. But it's not just about the technology. It's about understanding the entire grow ecosystem, establishing clear output goals, and ensuring scalability and flexibility of technology. It's about identifying potential buyers and creating a successful business model that can sustain this revolutionary approach to farming. Indeed, the future of farming may very well lie in the vertical dimension. So what have we learned about vertical farming? Vertical farming, a method of cultivating crops in stacked layers, was a concept proposed in 1999. It optimizes plant growth and increases crop yield using advanced technology like LED lighting, AI, and automation. Despite facing economic challenges, it offers significant advantages including resistance to weather disruptions, conservation of local flora and fauna, and the ability to grow diverse crops simultaneously. Moreover, it has immense potential to address food insecurity by improving productivity and reducing resource usage. As we look towards the future, vertical farming stands as a promising solution to our growing food production needs.